auscultation of the heart valve now in the male. Same rules apply. We're going to use our surface anatomy to identify regions to auscultate. It's also important to bear in mind that these are regions where the sounds are best appreciated, not necessarily where the valves are located, but just through years and years of practice, we know these areas where we'll hear the aortic valve really better versus the mitral valve. Okay? So the same rules apply. We always want to, again, keep our stethoscopes pointed towards our nose. Okay, this is Garrett. I think you guys probably remember him from our labs. So, we're going to find our surface anatomy, so we'll start at the sternal notch and work our way down to the angle of